Welcome back again, Bitcoin World Crypto. Today we are going to join new project which name is SeedOn. This is the main website of SeedOn, blockchain-based crowdfunding platform. We aim to develop the next generation platform for crowdfunding that will minimize investment risks. We promote transaction transparency with the help of blockchain technology. This is the white paper detail of this project. And this is the intro video of this project. You can also watch it out. And this is the detail of token name SeedOn, symbol SEON, decimal 18, and this is the contact address. Project based on Binance Smart Chain, and these are the social features. What is SeedOn? SeedOn is a blockchain based solution whose goal is to revolutionize controversial crowdfunding, aiming to provide traceability and transparency to all stakeholders so that have full control of their investment at all times. Distributed ledger technology. The distributed ledger technology allows us storage of immutable transaction records accessible to all network participants. This means that all blockchain-based transactions made on your platform are visible to any user anytime. And this is the detail of immutable record. Once the transaction has been approved by all participant nodes in the network, an immutable record is stored into a block and added to the ledger. This means that all blockchain stored data cannot be modified or reached by any party, thus removing the risk of investment fraud. And smart contract escrow detail, structured communication channel detail. Why choose our solution? First is investment using cryptocurrency, transaction transparency and accountability, security and full control of your investment, possibility to earn passive income, user screening process, protect intellectual property. In order to able to submit a new crowdfunding project to our platform, all entrepreneurs will go through a registration and screening process for a background check. The first step of the screening process will be conducted by an AI algorithm checking to copyrights violation, ultimately having a human manually checking the detail provided. This will contribute to significantly reduce the number of scammers that wish to defraud investors compared to other crowdfunding platform. And this is the detail of protect intellectual property. SeedOn will get all project detail with an authentication mechanism so that for any information or sensitive data leak, legal consequences may apply. Our solution will provide publicly to investor only a brief description to the project, highlighting the main feature without exposing detailed characteristic and implementation of stage. Step plan. First is account registration, second is screening process, third is project submission, fourth is consultancy and compliance check, crowdfunding, project implementation, structure communication channel, SeedOn technology. SeedOn technology, our solution will provide an innovative ecosystem as a new approach to the conventional crowdfunding platform so that it promotes three core values: trust, transparency, and cyber security. We aim to solve existing problems and fraud so that we remove investors' uncertainty and we increase awareness on how the invested capital is being spent. Project is based on Binance Smart Chain functionality and it is EVM compatible BSC. Blockchain is a mature technology that can efficiently run over DApp, and this is support payment SEON token, Ether on our platform. With the use of cryptocurrencies, we provide a secure, fast and reliable investment in method. And this is blockchain based voting decision model detail. AI screening process detail, and this is tokenomics detail. You can also check out token name SeedOn, total supply blockchain Web20, decimal 18 token symbol SEON. Private pre-sale round start December 1, 2021, end 8 December 2021. Acceptable currencies Ether, BNB. Minimum transaction amount is $500 and token exchange rate 1 SEON is equal to 0.005 number of token per sale. And this is sale token detail. This is the roadmap detail. September 2021 start of platform planning community team players detail, and these are their social media links. You can also follow them. This is end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.